In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Big Cartel logo from your website in just a few easy steps. If you're running an online store, personalizing your site is important for branding, and you might want a clean, logo-free look. I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make this happen seamlessly. To get started, open your browser and navigate to Big Cartel's main webpage. This platform is a great choice for artists and small businesses looking to set up free and easy online stores. And if you're here, you probably already have your shop set up. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login option. It's usually found at the top right corner of the website. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your shop's URL and your password. Take a moment to do this carefully to make sure everything is typed correctly. We all know that a small typo can prevent you from accessing your account. After entering your credentials, click on the login button to proceed to your dashboard. Once logged in, you're going to be directed to the Big Cartel dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage various aspects of your store. Find the account tab, which is usually located in the menu bar. Clicking on account will open up a few more options. Next, head over to shop design. This is where you'll be able to make visual adjustments to your store's appearance. Once you're in the shop design section, look for the option labeled Go to Shop Designer and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can make changes to the layout and elements of your shop. Now locate and click on the Code tab within the shop designer. This is where you'll be able to directly edit the code of your website. The next step is to specifically find and click on the CSS tab. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is what you'll modify to remove the Big Cartel logo. Within the CSS section, look for the footer section of your code. This is typically where company logos and similar elements are embedded. Once you have located this section, you'll need to carefully delete the existing code that references the Big Cartel logo. Make sure you only delete the specific code for the logo to avoid any disruption to the rest of your site's design. After you've deleted the code, save your changes and refresh your web page to ensure the logo has been removed. This simple process helps ensure your site looks exactly as you want without any additional branding. With these steps, you've successfully removed the Big Cartel logo, giving your website a more personalized look. Remember, taking control of these small details can make a